I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, this is the moment that a few people and my husband have been waiting on. So if you did not catch my Snapchat or my Instagram, I have had this Gucci purse in my closet for about 7 months. And now my husband is refusing to buy me another bag until I open it. That doesn't sit right with me, so I'm going to open it. Just to give a little disclaimer, even though I feel like I don't need to say this, this is not my only bag that I purchased this year. I must admit that it is the most expensive one, and I think I even purchased the dupe of this one. It's just I haven't used it or haven't had the time to, open it, and I don't know why. But today that changes. So as you can see, this thing is dusty. This thing is so dusty, along with the box and the bag. Everything is so dusty. I feel so bad for not opening it. But this bag came from Saks Fifth Avenue on Canal Street in New Orleans. And it cost about $1,600. Okay. So there's that. This video will not be long. I do not like long videos. So this video is going to be quick. So let's get to it. And before I open up this bag, I just want to say sorry about the background. I have my Christmas decorations out. I'm trying to prepare for Thanksgiving and decorate my Christmas tree with my children. I have a lot going on. So yeah. So anyway, let's get into this bag. I don't remember how it looked, but I do think I purchased a dupe to this one based on the memory. And the dupe was like a Coach bag. So let's open this one. I don't remember how it looks. I'm super excited because I'm ready to open it. I'm ready to use it. And I'm just like ready for a new bag too. And I can't get one until I use this one. Okay, let's keep going. Gucci. I'm so excited. I hope it's cute. I'm a small bag girl. Like I am a sucker for a small bag. I love me a good small bag. So if you don't like small bags, this one might not be for you, girl. But I love me a good small bag. So cute. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this bag. It is so cute. I don't remember buying this. I don't, but I'm so glad I did. What? Look at this. Okay, so this is a tiny strap. Does it have a long strap? I love a long strap. Like, no, no, please. But this is the bag. It's so cute, so small. Like I said, it costs about $1,600. I really love it. I'm so glad. I actually feel like I have a dupe of this bag now that I see it in Coach. This is okay. This is the inside of the bag. No long strap. I like that. I don't know. Sometimes those long straps are just like not it. This is not my only Gucci bag. I do have another one. It's small. It's a vintage Gucci. And I feel like the dupe that I have to this bag is like, I feel like it's vintage or it might be a re-edition. So we'll see. I'll go get that in a second. All right. And then this is how it looks. Oh my God. Is it giving? Is it cute? Like, I love it. I love me a small bag. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. So stay tuned, subscribe. I think I might upload this on my YouTube channel or it may go on my Instagram stories again. I'm not sure. But here's the bag. It's cute. She's dainty. She's small. She has one pocket. I think I forgot to mention that earlier. And I also have a Coach dupe. She cost $1,500. I'll have to check and see how much the Coach dupe cost. Also, for the next video, I wanted to open up this perfume that has been in my bag, in my closet for about 7 months as well. So this really needs to be opened. I guess we can call this coming out the closet. No, just playing. Stay tuned if you want to see the videos that I post. I don't know what my niche is, but I'm kind of cute, and yeah. So see y'all later. Bye.